Good morning, guys. So the moving process has begun, and I'm packing now. I've been working with one of the movers called their name is Piece of Cake, and they're so good. This is something innovative, and I did not know that movers did this, and I don't know if other movers do this, but Piece of Cake sent us these crates, which are like massive, okay, and I am putting in my stuff in there. There won't be any waste of boxes, or when I'll be able to return this, take my stuff out of it, and then send it back to them. Also, I was able to keep this for a week after we move into a new place, so that I don't have to rush to keep my stuff in my wardrobe and get rid of it, because obviously we all have work and we cannot do all the moving and placing everything in the place, like organizing stuff in the first week itself. So I think that's so convenient.